Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a exercise on the Bosu ball called the chest press with a bridge. So make sure you're sitting in front of the Bosu, right on the floor. You're in front of this black rim here. Grab your dumbbells, whatever I programmed for you. Wiggle forward, lay back. You want your head and your shoulder blades resting on there. Grab your dumbbells. Start with your butt down. Bring your arms to a W. So the exercise, I want you to press the arms up, lift the hips. Lower the hips, lower the arms. Press up. Now if this bothers your shoulders, turn your dumbbells in and keep it a close grip. Butt up, arms up, lower down. Press into the feet, lower down. So you can always adjust. If your shoulders aren't just on there, readjust. You just want your butt down, but you don't want any pain in your back. So find it where that you can do the exercise. Press up and lower down. Now this is more comfortable for me because my shoulders is more on the ball versus downward a little bit. So find that sweet spot where your butt is down. It's not bugging your back. And that is the exercise. Chest press with a hip bridge. Until next time, see you on your mat.